You're trying to get your financial life in order, right? You're looking for a budgeting app that won't break the bank and won't annoy you with constant interruptions. And you've heard about Goodbudget, a popular choice among budgeters. But here's the burning question: does Goodbudget have ads? Let's dive in. Now, you'd think in today's world of free apps, there's always a catch, right? Ads, subscriptions, or some sneaky data mining scheme. But Goodbudget is taking a different approach. Imagine this: you're finally making progress on your budget. You're feeling good about your spending habits. Then, bam! An ad for something you don't need pops up, disrupting your flow and maybe even tempting you to spend. Frustrating, isn't it? Goodbudget understands this. They believe in creating a distraction-free environment where you can focus on what truly matters: your finances. So, they've made a bold decision: no ads. That's right, you heard it correctly. Goodbudget is ad-free. But how do they make money? Well, they offer a premium subscription with additional features like unlimited envelopes, forecasting, and more. But here's the kicker: the free version is already pretty robust. It gives you a solid foundation for budgeting with 10 regular envelopes and 10 annual envelopes. That's enough to get you started and see real results. Now, you might be thinking, okay, no ads, that's great, but what about the app's features? Is it worth it? Goodbudget is based on the envelope system, a classic budgeting method that's been around for ages. It's simple, effective, and it works. The app brings this method into the digital age with features like easy tracking, syncing across devices, and even the ability to set up recurring transactions. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is Goodbudget truly free forever? Well, as of now, yes. Goodbudget has been clear about their commitment to keeping the core app ad-free. However, the world of business changes, and there's always a possibility of things changing in the future. So, while you can enjoy the ad-free experience today, it's always a good idea to stay informed and read the fine print. So, to answer the question, does Goodbudget have ads? The short answer is no. At least not right now. It's a refreshing change in an app world dominated by ads. Whether you choose to stick with the free version or upgrade to premium, Goodbudget offers a solid foundation for building a better financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.